In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo on Canva, step by step. In fact, you'll see how to create logos to use them in your business. Welcome to TAD Coaching. If you're not familiar with Canva, you can watch Canva from beginning on this channel. So, let us start. Our example is to design a logo for an Italian restaurant in two ways. I will start by using an existing logo template and modifying it. So, go to Create a Design on Canva and search for a logo. Then, browse the templates. Canva categorizes the templates into groups like gaming, art, or fashion. By scrolling down, you can find all results to browse them. Search for the restaurant logo. Select the one that you think is good for your needs and click on it to add it to Canva. I will do some adjustment to customize the logo. First, ungroup the components. Change the text for restaurant name, like Taste of Rome. And change the next text to the opening year. And change the font. Now, I will change the rectangle colors to meet the Italian flag, to give it Italian touch. And two lines as border above the flag. As you saw, it is simple to use the logo templates and customize it. Now, I will design a second logo from scratch. Start by adding a new page. Go and search for chef elements. Then add a fork element under the chef. Resize them and change the color to light gray. Group them together and then align them to the center. Now, add two text blocks. In the first one, I will add a restaurant name and change the font color and size. Then, add a rectangle and change the color to green and push it back as background. The second will be the opening year of the restaurant. Finally, let's add the Italian flag below. It is as the first logo. For that, I will copy and paste it for some adjustments. That's it. Now you just need to download it. As you can see, there are a lot of elements that you can use to get a final design, which makes it quite easy either by using a template or doing it from scratch. In case you are using a free version of Canva, you can download the logo and set a transparency background of any free online service. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. And now it's your turn. Do you prefer using template or doing your design from scratch? Let me know by leaving a comment below.